We've been fostering for 3 years.
It's like get up in the morning, get the dogs out. There's linens, there's towels, there's dog beds, there's everything that you could possibly, it never stops.
We didn't have laundry out there. And then we got the Speed Queen.
We got nominated.
Through a partnership with Speed Queen and Best Friends. They nominated us as fosters.
Super fosters.
Super fosters, oh, excuse me, super fosters.
It was like out of the blue, kind of, because we knew we had been nominated, and then we got a call, and the guy says, we're coming tomorrow, and we're delivering your washer and dryer. What? What?
We're like, ours aren't that old, they're fine, we really don't need a new washer and dryer, but apparently we needed new washer and dryer Speed Queens.
Yeah.
Normally I put the dog stuff in a 2-hour wash. I'm like, 36 minutes, that's not gonna work. Yeah. It's not gonna, how are they gonna be clean in 36 minutes?
Man, but we put that first load in, and it was like, no way, it's not gonna be clean in 36 minutes, no way.
And the first thing we washed, the blanket on our bed, that always smelled of dog. And I remember I put in the Speed Queen, I got it out, and I said to Terry, it doesn't smell like dog. Smell it, smell it. Come on, it doesn't smell like dog. And it was a 36-minute wash. She's like, we won't be doing laundry all the time. I'm like, I know. We can have a life. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but we can have a life.
One dog bed, the pink one, we had washed it before, and then when we washed it in the Speed Queen, it's like, oh my gosh, it's pink.
It's pink. Oh,
it's really pink. Is that what the color was?
Again.
It's pink again. Then there's a pet setting. Okay, yes. Yes, we have pets.
Like, what cycle do you use? Pet.
Pet.
What else? Pet.
Pet.
Pet and dry. Pet and dry.
Even our dogs are like, oh, it smells better.
Good.
They like the clean laundry as much as we do.